And we're here for the multi-GP Latin American Drone Racing Championship, which, as you can see, we take very seriously here.
When I first started racing drones back in 2019, I went to the MultiGP Latin American Championship in Mexico, and yeah, I could barely fly. After crashing into an inflatable gate, I had one of Flight One's patented flyaways, where I landed over 1 kilometer away on someone's roof while trying to recover from the yaw spin. I had to go drive and find my drone, and I had to learn to disarm more quickly. I was excited to hear that this year LATAM was back after the COVID hiatus and was going to be held in Colombia. My wife, Diana FPV, was going with me for the first time to an international race, so I was excited and I wanted to do better than last time, although that's not really a high bar. But more than anything, I wanted to see friends I had made back in Mexico, like Crazy Quads, who, as usual, brought wigs for everyone.
Crazy.
What's up?
¿Cuántos pelucas trajeron?
Traje 40 pelucas, una por cada piloto.
Llegó con la maleta al field y dice, no, está llena de pelucas. Y yo pensé que era chiste. Abre la maleta y lleno de pelucas.
So you gonna win this thing, Darren?
I'm gonna win the last place.
No, you're not.
Well, let me see.
Maybe.
My friend Tomate and fellow Flight Club team member was the clear favorite to win. I figured I was about the 3rd or so fastest pilot in the race, 3rd or 4th-ish, so maybe I could end up on the podium.
Hello, Tomato.
Hello, Tomato.
You gonna win?
I hope so.
You gonna try?
I'm gonna try.
Who are you most afraid of? Other than me, obviously.
Mike Durant.
No way.
Yeah, I am.
Because you're worried he's gonna power on a big VTX or something?
No, he's really good. He's the fastest pilot in America. That's right.
You're such a bad liar. Look at you trying to hold that back, man.
It was great to see that pilots from around the world are already flying the new Minchan racing frame from Flight Club. It had only been out for a few weeks at that time.
Nice. Representing the Minchan frame. One of the first races with that. You can't have crazy quads at an event without crazy wigs. Not possible.
Ahora sí.
Do I look cool though?
You look like
What about hard? No, we gotta be hard.
Oh, sí, sí.
We gangster like this.
Eagle Eye.
Yeah.
Day 1 of practice and quali went by in a heartbeat. We didn't have a whole lot of qualifying packs, but Diana took it really seriously. Well, not the drone racing, the sunglasses game.
Alright.
I get it. Give me another chance.
Okay. Alright. All of those are going on YouTube.
I only had 2 qualifying runs due to some technical issues, but I qualified 3rd, which is more or less where I thought it'd be.
Say hi, guys. Hi. Woo-hoo.
Like guaranteed within the first 5
Yeah.
minutes. By not crashing, it's really windy though.
The next day was brackets. I didn't have to fly till the evening, so I was just hanging out, helping people out, and trying to help Diana, as she had some early races in the day. My buddy Milkman was there as well. He was helping everyone out, and that's just his personality. That's why he was one of my first picks for the Flight Club Mayhem team. The first races were pretty relaxed affairs. We were joking around, and I cruised through those to the semifinals. My outpick FPV, who just moved to Costa Rica, was helping spot for me. And, well, Mike Durand was, doing Mike Durand things, getting naked for us.
Queremos ver tetita. No, ya no.
Ya el mae enseñó, ya le enseñó antes, no hay nada que nadie haya visto antes. Ya
Todos hemos visto esto.
Ella me dice que ya tengo que cambiar ya mismo. Pues ya mismo me la cambio.
La verdad fue Robert quien dijo eso.
El versión bonito.
Es el mismo, es él, vea, es él.
Ya, eso sí
Está perfecto.
qué guapura, sí.
La camiseta me encanta, güey.
Está chuzo esta cabeza. And what do you think about drone racing, Diana? Banana?
I mean, let's see. This is stressful.
Oh, it is, isn't it?
Hold on, you haven't finished yet.
Okay.
I have a list.
You have a list, so.
This is so excited at the same time. But it's stressful.
I think the list is mostly stressful.
One of the things they did great with was prizes. There was a ton of prizes, and Mike got us to do all sorts of crazy stuff, like run a race for a Torval backpack, and here I am keeping up with the crowd as the cameraman. They also got all the ladies attending the event to run a foot race of the track for, I don't even know what prize that was, there were so many. Before the evening, Diana had already busted out, but she was a good sport about it all.
So what do you think, Diana? What do you think about racing? Was it any fun for you, or did you not like it?
You wanna know the truth?
We want the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
This is so fucking stressful. I don't know how you guys do this.
I'm sorry, baby.
Like, I didn't enjoy it at all. It's so stressful.
Yeah,
But well,
It's
is
hard.
What it is.
honestly, I think, you know, for some people, you just want to go to the fun races and have fun. Like when you're racing in Costa Rica, you have fun, right?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
But this is another level.
Yeah, I don't think this is for you. You don't take it serious enough.
It's a video. So you say whatever you want to say.
It's a great honor to fly against this, or with these two great pilots.
This is basically my international nemesis.
Yeah, that's
Everywhere
true.
we go, we're exactly against each other.
Yeah, that's true.
So here we are again.
Yeah.
I thought semifinals would go as smoothly and I'd be right into the finals, but life is what happens to you while you're busy making other plans, and in my first race I had a motor fail on me and I fell out of the sky.
Oh, I lost a desync or something. Like this one and this one, both shut off.
Atentos a la partida, silencio por favor.
I had another chance in semifinal too, but I launched poorly or something and got a late start.
Gotta play catch up, let me know.
Okay.
I thought that would be fine, so I just went for it. I just needed to get to second position to be in transfer position, and after 2 laps I was there.
You got one of them. Am I in second? No, you're in third.
I passed one pilot, so that was just one more pilot I needed to pass to put me in second place and in transfer position to the finals. And I had him in my sights. Just needed to fly smooth at this point. At the beginning of the 3rd lap, I passed him and would be in finals as long as I finished the lap, making it a terrible time to crash into the very simplest, easiest obstacle on the whole track.
No!
Well, and just like that, my 2 chances are gone and I'm out. But there's still some amazing races with 4 amazing pilots in the finals, and as we all expected, Tomate was going to take away the win. Let's check him out.
How do you feel?
Muy feliz.
Great, that was awesome, man.
Like after having bad video the whole day, the finals were perfect. So just how I wanted it to go.
You did great. Fiesta, fiesta.
Nos vemos el próximo año en Chile.
But how'd you feel? You're the Latin American champion.
I feel great. This is something I've wanted for a while now.
I know, man.
I'm super happy that this event was made. And next year's version is going to be in Chile, in my hometown, so that's going to be a better race. Hopefully we can get more packs in. That's something that we can do.
We'll figure it out.
But for the first,
We'll get better and better.
But for this first race, this was a really incredible race. I had an insanely good time.
And a lot of
the racing
pilots.
was pretty elite.
It was
So
good.
I'm really happy, don't get me wrong on that, but I always want to go bigger. So just this year, we're going to see how it goes.
So where's the next next race I'm going to see you at?
Next race you're gonna see me at is Mayhem in Texas.
Really? With who? Who
With
is that?
Team FlightClub.
Oh, those sound like really cool people. Like
They're gonna
a
be
club
really
that flies?
fun. Yeah.
Sounds good, man. I'll see you there.
I'll see you there too.
Awesome, Tomate.
See ya.
Good job, man.
Thank you.
Aplauso para Tomate, carajo, campeón.
Given all the fun prizes, we decided to throw one out at the end, an impromptu one, where we were giving out 10 Flight Club frames for whoever could juggle an air football the longest. I honestly thought it would be shorter than this, but it was getting a little bit awkward when it was dragging on, so we finally asked the last two standing if they wanted to just split the prize. And that's a wrap, guys. We had a whole lot of fun.